Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload an image to Mailchimp emails so you can enhance your newsletters with professional visuals, showcase your latest software tutorials, and ensure your market analysis reaches your audience with a high-end studio look in 2026. Let's get into it. First, log in to your Mailchimp dashboard. The first step is entering your brand's command center. In 2026, the Mailchimp dashboard has been updated to provide a candid look at your recent performance metrics and quick access shortcuts for your technical video content. Go to Mailchimp.com and enter your credentials to log in. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to look at the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Ensure you are in the correct account if you manage multiple professional brands or client projects. Starting from the dashboard ensures that all your global settings are active. In 2026, Mailchimp uses this home screen to alert you of any studio-level updates or changes to your image storage limits, keeping you informed before you start building. Next, navigate to the Content section. To manage your visual assets independent of a specific email, you need to go to the Central Library. This is where all your professional screenshots, logos, and market analysis charts are stored. In the left-hand navigation menu, look for the icon that looks like a photo or a file folder labeled Content. Click on it and then select My Files or Content Studio from the submenu. This will open your full library of previously uploaded assets. In 2026, navigating directly to the Content section allows you to organize your files into folders on your PC before you even start an email draft. This professional studio workflow saves you time later when you are in the middle of a complex software tutorial layout. Next, click the Upload button and select your file. Now it's time to move your high-quality imagery from your local computer to the Mailchimp cloud. This makes your images accessible for any campaign, landing page, or social post you create. Look at the top right corner of the Content Studio and click the blue Upload button. A file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate to your folder, select your PNG or JPG file, and click Open. Mailchimp's servers are optimized for high-speed delivery. Uploading your technical graphics here ensures they are compressed just enough to load quickly for your audience without losing that professional studio crispness. And that's pretty much it. To upload images in 2026, log in to your Mailchimp dashboard and navigate to the Content section in the left sidebar. Open the Content Studio, click the Upload button to bring in your files from your PC and organize them into folders. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.